Can you hear this? Or can I hear it?
No.
No, serious. Can you hear this? Yes or no?
No.
Wait.
Kung meron na may pasa sa puso sa ating dalawa.
Tell me if you can hear it.
What t-shirt am I
Yes.
gonna wear?
You can?
Yeah.
I can't even hear anything.
It's the.
Here, try again. Yes or no? You hold it. I'm getting tired. Yeah, it's stretch.
Isang minuto mo na makakausap ang mahal mo abroad with San Todo IDD Tawag Card. 2 pesos lang per minute, todo lang usapan.
Ah,
2 pesos lang, todo lang tawagan to 6 destinations.
Mom, did you access my
Abroad
shirt?
sa San Todo IDD Tawag Card.
You can really hear it?
Yeah.
Wait, let me hear. Wait, go. Start part 2. I can't even hear it. Let me try to hear it. Can you hear it? Which one, left or right? I can't even hear shit. Can I try after you? Wait, here so I could hear it better. I'll make it loudest. Can you hear it? I can't even hear anything. Can I try after you?
Play that bag.
Which one? Can you at least tell us which one, left or right?
Right.
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 So sorry.
Your flight is tonight, Kuya. Why so sad?
Oh, fuck.
Are you okay?
Okay, let's stop recording. You wanna stop recording first?